The UAE fragrance market is worth over $2.5 billion annually. But here's the truth. 90% of online perfume startups fail in their first year. It's not the scent, it's the strategy. I'm going to show you the exact 6-step blueprint that separates successful brands from the ones that disappear. Step 1, choose your business model. You have 3 paths: reseller, private label, or manufacturer. Private label is where most successful UAE brands start. You build the brand equity while a manufacturer handles production. Step 2, licensing. Selling via Instagram without a license is a liability. You need specific activities for trading and e-commerce. Don't forget the UAE Media Council advertiser permit. Without it, your influencer campaigns can be pulled instantly. Step 3, product registration. This is the make or break step. Every SKU must be registered through the Dubai Municipality Montaji system. Your labels must be bilingual and match your registered specs exactly. Even a small mismatch can kill your cash flow. Step 4, sourcing and operations. Heat destroys perfume. You need temperature-controlled storage and couriers who understand dangerous goods. Step 5, build your store. Shopify and WooCommerce are the gold standards for UAE perfume brands. You need a D2C site for brand equity plus marketplace traffic. Remember, you don't sell smell online, you sell clarity, trust, and proof. High-quality video is your best salesperson. Step 6, UAE-centric marketing. Target intent-based queries and use social commerce. In this region, video sells what the nose can't access. Avoid the fatal mistakes. Trying to launch 50 SKUs at once and ignoring temperature-controlled logistics. Start tight and scale. The UAE market rewards discipline. Focus on structure as much as scent. For the full templates, visit titandigitalua.com or WhatsApp US today.